Hello everyone, this is the second take of the first assignment for brass techniques. I'm Brechter, and today I will be telling you guys how to assemble the trombone and hold it and play some sounds. I don't know if they'll be exact notes, but yeah, and I'll just be looking at some notes I have. So yeah, okay. First, you want to start with the case closed. You want to make sure that the logo, if there is one, is facing up. Also, that. And you want to put it on the floor instead of on a chair or a desk or something, just because it's large and fragile, and brass instruments in general are expensive. So then you want to unlatch your latches. I've already unlatched them, but you'll probably have 3 along the bottom that you have to unlatch. You want to open it up and you'll see the bell part, that's the slide in the back, and then your mouthpiece. You want to start with taking out the bell, put it on your left. The bell side can be closer to you. Sorry, I'm sniffling in the background. Then you want to take out your slide, put it on your right. The longer end on the top can be closer to you. Then you want to, I'll turn the camera around. So you're going to pick up the bell and you're going to just attach it right on to the slide. You want to drop it on, if the bell is closer to you, you want to turn it clockwise and drop it on to the longer end. If there's a screw here, you'll have to screw it in. Not all trombones have it though. So you want this angle for between the slide and the bell to be a little wider than 90 degrees, not much wider, maybe 100 degrees. And then after you have that established, you want to tighten. Okay, that's tight now. Okay, and next you're going to drop in the mouthpiece. Just drop it in. And you don't need to tighten it. Just make sure it's secure. Okay, now we're going to talk about holding it. So for your left hand, you want to make like an L for Louis or loser, whatever. You want to put it in kind of like how I just did, just up and under there. You want your thumb to be on this little trigger here. Your pinky is going to go underneath for support, along with your ring finger, and your first 2 fingers are just going to wrap around here. Actually, sorry, you want your 3 fingers up there. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, just keep your pinky under there. And then with your right hand, you want to either make like a Spock hand, or like I kind of think of it as like the Italian, like how you say Italians talk with their hands. I'm Italian, it's okay. Okay, so you want to put these fingers on the other end of the slide, and you want to like pinch. So like with your thumb and your 2 fingers, just like pinch the slide, and your other 2 fingers will go underneath. So yeah, and your fingers should fall to the bottom right here, like not up here. So yeah, and then oh, sorry, we're twisting. That's why you tighten. Thought I did enough, but I guess not. I'm a beginner. Okay. So yeah, then you're all set to make some noise. So let's try it. So yeah, I'm gonna make an M with my mouth first. Try to push some air through. I'm not a brass player, can you tell? Yeah, so some lower sounds. Yeah. So there you go. That's how you make some first sounds and assemble and hold the trombone from a beginner's perspective.